Hi, this is Dr. Steele again, the hearing guy. Again, we're discussing the Starkey Muse rechargeable hearing aids. These are hearing aids that you probably purchased prior to 2018. Again, we're going to talk about tricks of the trade and maintenance. Now, one thing I always tell my patients on these hearing aids: if you don't see a green light, something's not right. Why would you not see a green light? The first reason, do you have the hearing aids in correctly in the charger? Now you'll notice the power cord, and you'll notice that I have the receivers and the little tips pointing towards the power cord, right? Now look what happens if I turn it around. There is no light, right? Again, all I need to do is put it back with it pointing towards the power cord. I'm going to gently rock it towards it. I should see a green light flashing. Now, I've had some patients call me and they say they see a red light. Again, if you don't see the green light, something's not right. Now, what do you do if you see the red light? I want you to remove the charger or remove the hearing aid. Press the bottom for me. In your kit, you should have something like this. This is to clean, maybe your glasses. It's also there to clean your hearing aid. I want you to wipe down the battery contacts on the bottom. If you can, wipe a little bit on the contacts here, and then place the hearing aid back in the charger. Again, gently rocking forward. You should see the green light flashing. Now, what do you do if you still see the red light flashing? Now I want you to remove the hearing aid. Press the bottom. If you have some alcohol, okay, and maybe a Q-tip, again, you're going to dab the Q-tip in some alcohol, kind of wave it around a little bit. Then I want you to take it and just wipe the bottom off, right? You don't soak it, but just wipe it off with some alcohol. There could be some skin, maybe a little film of wax on the bottom of it. You could take that and kind of gently rock in the charger right here. Again, don't soak it. Wetness is not good, but just put a little bit of alcohol on there, okay? Then try it again. All right? Now, hopefully you see the green light, but if you don't, look in your charger and see if there's a bunch of dust, okay? You may have something like this laying around. It's to clean maybe your laptop, get the dust out in between the keyboard. Again, take that, see if you can get some of that dust out. Again, I'm Dr. Steele, the hearing guy. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website at www.thehearingguy.net. Stay tuned for more videos from the Hearing Guy.